Have you ever had that question? I'm going to a party and what tequila do I bring? Everybody asks me these questions all the time. What tequila should I bring to a party? What's a fun, good tequila? Something that's not super expensive that's going to break the bank, but it'll really impress my friends and it'll be great tequila to drink. So I'm going to start with one of my favorites, and that's going to be Santo Fina. One, you can talk about the celebrities behind it. Sammy Hagar, one of my favorite celebrities, and Guy Ferrari that make this tequila. This is made out of NOM 1107. This is traditionally made stone ovens, roller mill, closed fermentation, double distilled. It's easy to drink. It's an approachable Blanco. You can pick it up anywhere. Like it's available everywhere. And that's a $45 Blanco. So it's an easy one to bring to a party. It's got a cool looking bottle. People will talk about it and it tastes great. Let's say you want to bring something and make drinks with it and really show somebody some versatile tequila. Well, how about Dano's Dangerous Tequila? Now, this is a pineapple jalapeno infused Blanco tequila, and it is really good. For me, it's good just like it is, or even over ice. You can make a mean margarita with it, and you can also really juice up a paloma or a cantarita with this. It's not real spicy hot like some of the jalapeno stuff that's out there. It has a great pineapple flavor, but that agave comes forward as well. Another, you can't say additive free because they've added this infusion of pineapple and jalapeno, but the Blanco they make is an additive free Blanco. So you're taking a really good tequila and just adding this infusion. It comes in at 70 proof. It's infused with all fresh fruit. So you do kind of see some particles in there floating around. Dano had this great recipe, and that's how he started Dano's Dangerous Tequila. Now, if you can find their Blanco and their Repo, their Añejo, also really good as well to bring to a party. So if you're going to bring, let's say you just want to bring a great sipper, something that you got some aficionados around and you want to have a great tequila, how about El Mar del Jaguar? The Jaguar, as they call it. This tequila is really good. NOM 1414, Master Distiller Sergio Cruz. This is made with the hands of a maestro that makes fantastic tequila. Stone ovens, roller mill, open fermentation, wild fermentation, champagne yeast fermentation where they play classical music, double distilled in copper pots. It's a great tequila. It's a great sipper, and it has a cool story. Why has it got Jaguars on here? But there's a cool little QR code on the side that you can hit up. But his uncle started this conservatory to save the North American jaguar, and they've done that. And every bottle that you buy, some money goes to that conservation to help those cats live in the area that they do. It's all in northern Mexico and the Southwest United States, and they've done a great job. And this tequila has a purpose for helping that as well. And let's say you want to go to that party and have all the eyes on you where everybody's looking at you and wondering what you brought to the party. And you could come in and say, let's have a really good time. This is Asombroso. Asombroso has been a brand that's out there for a long time. They haven't necessarily been known for being an additive-free tequila, but hey, they listened to all of the people talking about additive-free and said, we can do it too. So they did, coming out of NOM 1424, cooked in a stone oven, crushed in a roller mill, closed fermentation with champagne yeast, nothing added, just water, agave, and yeast. That's it. And they've made a great tequila. And this shows up in this fancy bottle. It's definitely something people will talk about, and it'll kick your party off right. So these are some great tequilas to use at your next party or bring to a friend. Have you had any of these tequilas? Let me know in the comments. If you have a tequila that you think would be better used for a party, mention that in the comment as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all of those wonderful things that help us out. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great night.